Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So this is going to be the vlog where I take all my shit. No, not all my shit. This is going to be the video of me traveling to Australia for 4 months. It's going to be crazy. I'm just so excited to go. I've been wanting to go to Australia for years. I'm going on a working holiday visa, so we're going to travel around. We're doing work away in the beginning at least, and then I don't know yet. If you want to see my preparations and everything that I packed, go to my video. I made a whole video on preparing for moving to Australia, because it's basically I'm moving because I can go back. I can be there for 12 months if I want. I'm just going back home over the summer and then I might go back again. But anyway, you will have seen already what I packed, but this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing when I land in Australia, because tomorrow to the airport I'm going to be wearing my Kai Investor jeans, this top which is going to be my pajama top. It's just from Nike. It's really comfortable and it's a bit longer, which is why I want it as my PJ top, and it's also a cute shirt I can wear as well. And then I've got my Nike Pro shorts because I'm guessing it will be very hot when we land. Also going to be wearing a hoodie, haven't quite decided. But yeah, I'm just sort of packing up the last bits and bobs right now. I'm so excited. I just went to buy these nature sweets for the train ride and everything tomorrow. We're actually going to see my friend in Lund, or our friend in Lund, because I'm going with Clara. So we're going to see our friend in Lund before we fly, because our flight isn't until 10 o'clock at night, which is perfect. So we're going to spend the day with her, then we're heading off. We've got total 4 flights. We're flying from Copenhagen to Doha, from Doha to Sydney, and then from Sydney to Melbourne, which is only half an hour. No, from Sydney to Brisbane, and then from Brisbane to Gladstone, which is where we're staying. And then from there we're going to take a bus, I think. Oh yeah, I need to check that out as well. I haven't really checked 100% what we're going to do, but people in Australia will be helpful, I'm guessing, so that will be fine. So guys, it's time for me to go to sleep. I've basically been editing all night. It's currently 20 to 1 a.m. I think I'm getting up at 8 a.m. tomorrow or something. So now I've put my video on upload, so then I've got 2 uploads to post at least, so I'm a little bit ahead, which is great. We're leaving here 10:15 tomorrow, so if I get up at 8 I've got 2 hours, which is nice. Then I can make sandwiches for the go, weigh my bags, do my makeup, maybe shower off my tan, you know. Putting all my alarms tomorrow. I need so many. Look how many alarms I need. Crazy, but my first one goes at 8, so I get some sleep. Exciting. Good night guys. Good morning guys. I woke up at half an hour before my alarm went, but it's currently 20 past 8 and I just had a little shower to rinse my body off and rinse my fake tan, that awful smell off, so my hair's a tiny bit wet. My hair didn't need washing today, so I'm not going to do it's going to get gross anyway from all the travelling, but I'll try and have it up as much as I can. So I'm just getting dressed right now, and then I'm going to check my bags and stuff, so yeah. And then I'm going to have some brekkie. Just been weighing my hand luggage and it's literally 7 kilos, which is what it's allowed to be, so I'm going to see if I can put some things in Clara's bag maybe. But yeah, I mean it should be fine. They might not even weigh it. And it's not overweight, it's just really on the limit. Yeah, I'm doing my skincare, moisturising now. I might just do a tad bit of makeup because we are going to Lund for the day. Also going to try out my jacket. So this is the only jacket I'm going to bring. So I'm going to be wearing this hoodie, put this jacket over, and I'll see how it looks. Okay, now this looks pretty cool and sporty. I can do this. I'm just going to have to hope it stays really warm. If not, I will buy a jacket there. That's fine. I need to weigh my big bag as well. I'm gonna triple check my little book where I put my packing list. Probably didn't put everything down that I packed though. I popped this in as well. Clara was gonna bring hers, but I'm I don't know if she did. It won't be at use of me any home. It's just this Marco Polo tour guide of Australia book. I also packed my face fake tan because I just did. Don't know if that was smart, but here goes. Oh fuck, that was not a good idea. Why did I do it that way? I need to take this off now because it's getting hot. It says 15.6 on this. Should be fine. Put this around so I can identify my bag. 20 to 9, I'm just gonna do some makeup. Just done a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna pack my brow gel and my eye curler because I didn't pack that, so I can do that now. And then I'm gonna go down and start making something to eat. Some brekkie. Just made myself some sandwiches for breakfast. That's veggie, ham, and then got some frozen mango there because I love that. I also made some sandwiches for the train ride in case I get hungry, because we're gonna eat dinner in Lund, not lunch, because they're not open at lunchtime. I'm gonna like import some footage on my laptop. Okay, we're leaving now. Last time walking down a driveway. So we just got on the train, waved goodbye to our parents, and yeah, now we're sitting on the train. So I've got my naturgodis, I've got a sandwich with me in case I get hungry. And yeah, we've got our luggage back there. Apparently the train is going to be delayed because there's something on the tracks. So Någon. Something to något. So we're in Lund now with Emilia, and we're just saying hi, and then we're going to go out to eat. We've been checking the storm so they don't close the bridge, which they did yesterday because we need to get to the airport. Now we're just in her apartment and it's so nice. This is her view, it's really nice, but the weather's not so nice. Look how cozy. So now we're gonna walk to the restaurant that we're going to. After that, we'll take the train to Copenhagen Airport and just pray to God that the winds don't pick up. Soon at the restaurant, it's raining. We're at Tugg now, a little restaurant before going to the airport, and we are alone here. My friend isn't crazy, she wanted me to tell you. Hey, yeah, last fancy meal. These were so good. We're on the train to Copenhagen Airport. So we're at the airport now, trying to find our Qatar Airlines check-in. But we're like 3 hours early. Here's something. So we've just gotten... So we've gone through secure... Thanks. So we've gone through security and we're like early. What time is it? It's 20 to 8, our flight doesn't go 20 to 9, so 20 to 10, so it's 2 hours left. And we're just sitting alone here. There's literally no one else here, so like it's a ghost town. It's literally dead. So I'm thinking I'm gonna change into my pajama pants, just my jogging pants basically. So I think I'm actually gonna do that here because I don't think anyone will see me. There's like one person there and then Clara, so we're gonna do that. And we were nervous that we're gonna miss our connecting flight from Doha to Sydney, but we talked to the We talked to the Qatar Airlines staff and they were like,
they're never late and you have plenty of time.
So that's good news. So holding my fingers and thumbs that we won't miss it. Don't think we will though. Touch wood. We arrived in Doha Airport. We're dead, but the flight went well. It was earlier than we thought, so we're not having to stress. We've already gone through security. Looking rough. We landed in As I said, we landed in Qatar. The sun's just came up. It's currently like 6:20, so we've got a lot of time. So we're gonna connect to the internet, I think. I've still got this on because I'm feeling like this next flight is 14 hours and I'm gonna want to sleep, and it's normally cold on planes. So I'm gonna keep my joggers on. I didn't sleep much on the last plane, I don't think. It was quite uncomfortable, but I got a little bit of sleep, I think. I started watching Chernobyl, but I didn't really I didn't really get stuck into it, so yeah, that's the update. I'm on the toilet now. We've been on this second flight for like 5 hours, but it feels like we've been on it much longer because we've just basically been kind of sleeping the whole time. I don't know, it just feels like we've been sleeping longer. But we've got like 9 hours left, and then we'll arrive in Sydney, and we've got a layover there for about 8 hours, which is nice. We don't have to stress, kind of thing. And we've got things to sort out when we get there. Now I'm just in the toilet, second time. We just landed in Sydney. I feel like a bag of shit, but we're getting our bags right now, hopefully. We made it. Yes! We got breakfast. We didn't manage to sort our SIM card out or our bank account. But we can do our bank account when we arrive at Glasgow. So, as I said, we landed in Sydney. We went through security and everything. Everything went really smoothly. They put like our bags through a security check. Oh my god, there's literally a cockroach on the floor next to me. I've been in Australia for like 30 minutes and it's alive. Oh my god, it's moving its legs. So we went to fix our Optus SIM card, but we haven't got a mail, so now I'm logging onto my laptop to check the mail. Hopefully I got it in my junk mail. We're just sat down at a cafe right now. I don't know. I'm doing something illegal. Nice. Okay, right there. Our waiting time is finally like kind of over. We're on our transfer bus, so we're going to our check-in gate for our flight to Brisbane, and then we've got 35 minutes to catch our flight to Gladstone, our final destination, so we hope we'll make it. One of the flight attendants, or flight people who are working there, she was like, I mean, you could miss it, but they'll let you know, so holding fingers and thumbs. So, hey guys, I didn't vlog last night because we were just so exhausted. We got here at like 4 to the hostel. Everything went smooth. We didn't miss our flight, which was great. We were really scared because, as I said, we only had 35 minutes, but we made it. I'm so hot and sweaty right now, as you probably can see. So we've, it's currently like 11 o'clock today. So yesterday we were just socializing with Hannah, the manager who owns this place, and she was so sweet. She was really nice and friendly. We love her and we felt so welcomed, like such a warm welcome. So we were hanging out with her, just like chatting, and then we actually went out clubbing last night, which was really fun. Maybe I had a little bit too much to drink because when I woke up this morning I was not feeling good, and so today we started learning our chores or tasks that we're gonna do, because we do work away, so we get to work here for like maximum 3.5 hours per day in exchange for free breakfast, free accommodation. Like, it's great, and the people here are so friendly. Like, we're so happy we chose this place. It's called Gladstone Backpackers. You guys should definitely come. Not sponsored or anything, I just like really want to recommend because it's like a small business and it's really really, really nice here. And they go on like day trips and stuff like that, so we're really excited for that. So yeah, this morning we were just cleaning, and now we've been to the grocery store to get some more groceries. We went yesterday as well. She drove us there after she picked us up from the airport, which was really, really sweet of her. It's so hot. I'm just about to put some more sun cream on my back and then take a dip in the pool, because we've like finished working for today, and it's just lovely. Right now the room looks like a mess. We got a private room to ourselves, but it's got 4 beds in it. I'm sleeping in the double bed. I kind of just took that bed. I feel kind of bad for Clara, but I mean, she's sleeping in that bed. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, like, I haven't been on my phone at all, like not even Insta story. Like, it's so crazy, but I don't feel the need. I feel like everyone's so nice here. It's just, I haven't been on my phone at all. Like, if I check my screen time for today, it's probably like literally 5 minutes. Okay, it's only 12 o'clock. Not to toot my own horn, but yeah, really, really enjoying it here. And yeah, place looks like a mess because we just haven't had time. We woke up at like 7:30 this morning to start cleaning. But I'm gonna put my clothes in the wardrobe because we're gonna be here for at least a month. So I'm gonna start putting clothes away. So yeah, that's it. And Clara's really having a good time as well.
Yeah.
So I'll speak to you guys when I speak to you.